Okay, we're looking at your work from page 54, number 9. A. It looks like what we did. What did we do, you guys? Group A.
Well, we found out what log C of 8 was and log C of 5.
So how do you break 40 into 8 and 5?
You divide 40, if you divide it by 8, you get 5. Divide by 5, you get 8.
So it'd be 8 times 5 is 40?
Yes.
Good. And once you have log base C of 8 times 5, then what do you do right here?
We added them together.
So that's the product property.
Yes.
And then you just you add those individual logs together, and you got 4.03.
Yeah.
So when you have a logarithm that's multiplied inside the logarithm, you could take those two separately and add them to get your answer there. All right, what'd you guys do for B?
We found, I don't know what product it is, property or anything, but since you're dividing within the log, you're going to subtract them, so it's log 5 minus log 8.
Okay, and log 5 was that?
Them, and I got negative 0.51.
Perfect. So log 5 is 1.76, log 8 is 2.27. Subtract them, you get negative 0.51. Is that right?
Yeah, because I had to subtract. It would be 1.76 minus 2.27.
Got it.
And I made negative.
I see. Okay, questions there? So Allison, what did you guys do for C here?
We replaced the 8 in log C 8 equals 2.27 with 2 to the third power since that's equal to it.
Okay, go ahead. So let's say a little louder so everybody can hear. Since log C of 8 was 2.27, they transformed the 8 to 2 to the third power. I agree with that. Then what'd you do?
Then we use the property where you can remove the exponent and put it in front of the log to multiply it.
Perfect.
To write it 3 log C2 equals 2.27. Then we divided both sides by 3 to get log C2 equals 0.7566.
Perfect. So again, they're using that move out in front property. This is pretty difficult, and I don't see how you could actually do this without a calculator to go from here to here. Out of all the ones for the test, this is probably the one I would not use. There's other ways I can test that property. All right, on D, Kyle, what'd you do here?
We moved the m from the exponent out into the front.
Okay.
And then we replaced log base C to the 5th with 1.76.
Perfect. So log base C of 5 is 1.76, and then the m's out in front. So now it's multiplied by it, so it's just 1.76m. Questions there? All right, here's the last one, and probably one of the most difficult ones. What'd you do here, Alexa?
Well, 0.04 is equal to 1 over 25 or 1/25th, and
Hold on, go ahead.
25 equals 5 to the second power.
Good.
And then if you do the inverse, I guess, right?
Yeah, so 1 over 5 squared is 5 to the negative 2.
Yeah. And then you move the 2 out in front, and then you substitute the log 5 and then multiply by negative 2.
Perfect.